Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to work with feature data using Arcpy, which is a Python side package that allows for automation of GIS tasks in ArcGIS. We'll go through the following topics. 1. Setting up your environment. 2. Loading feature classes. 3. Querying feature data. 4. Editing feature data. 5. Performing spatial analysis. 6. Exporting feature data. 1. Setting up your environment. To get started, ensure you have ArcGIS installed, preferably ArcGIS Pro, and that you have access to a Python environment with Arcpy. You can typically access this through the Python command prompt or Jupyter notebook that comes with ArcGIS. 2. Loading feature classes. The first step is to load your feature class, which could be a shapefile, a geodatabase feature class, etc., into your Python script. 3. Querying feature data. You can use search cursor to iterate through features and retrieve their attributes. 4. Editing feature data. You can use insert cursor and update cursor to add or modify features. Adding features. Updating features. 5. Performing spatial analysis. Arcpy provides functions for spatial analysis. For example, you can perform a buffer operation. 6. Exporting feature data. You can export your modified feature class to a new file or geodatabase. Conclusion. This tutorial provided a comprehensive overview of working with feature data using Arcpy. You learned how to load feature classes, query data, edit records, perform spatial analyses, and export data. With these foundational skills, you can automate and enhance your GIS workflows effectively. Additional resources. Arcpy documentation, ArcGIS Pro documentation, https://pro.arcgis.com/n/pro-app/latest/arcpy/main/arcpy.htm. GIS Stack Exchange, great for asking specific questions about GIS and Arcpy. Feel free to modify the code snippets provided to suit your datasets and analysis needs.